Hey guys, in this video I will be unboxing one HMT watch that I have recently ordered, and it's a group project watch. It's a special edition, you can say. So let me get the box out. Nice bubble wrap. Oops. So HMT now started sending new box. So this is HMT quartz watch, which is to commemorate our Lord Jagannath. So you can see here one of the idol of the Jagannath is represented on this dial. So it's got a black dial with golden hands, and it comes with this Milanese mesh bracelet. So let me show you at the back. So it's a limited edition watch, as you can see. And this is a group name that I am a member of, HWE, HMT Watch Enthusiast. So let me try wearing it. I'm currently wearing my HMT Kohinoor. Let me take this off. So this is how it looks. Got a great black dial, and since it is also an 18mm bracelet, so even this Kohinoor bracelet will go well with this watch. So it's the dial size is actually 34mm, around 34mm. It is smaller than the Kohinoor dial. Kohinoor is like 36 and this is 34, and it looks kind of great, and it is to honor our Lord Jagannath also, so it's quite a good watch to have. So I will try it with other bracelets options also. So that's it for this video. I really like this watch. Jai Jagannath.